How can I replace my Social Security card without a valid ID?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing how you can replace your Social Security card without a valid ID. Losing or misplacing your Social Security card can be a frustrating experience, but don't worry, we're here to help. Although having a valid ID is typically required for this process, there are still steps you can take to obtain a new card. So, let's dive right in.
Contact the Social Security Administration.
The first step you should take is to contact the Social Security Administration, SSA. You can reach out to them through their toll-free number or visit your local SSA office in person. Explain your situation and let them know that you need to replace your Social Security card but don't have a valid ID. They will provide you with guidance on how to proceed and may require additional documentation to establish your identity.
Gather alternate documents.
In order to replace your Social Security card without a valid ID, the SSA may request alternate documents to verify your identity. These documents can vary depending on your situation, but some common examples include birth certificate. This document can help establish your identity by providing your full name, date of birth, and place of birth. Passport. If you have a valid passport, it can serve as an alternate proof of your identity. School or work records. Official documents from your school or employer, such as transcripts or employment records, can be used as evidence of your identity. Remember, the specific documents required may differ depending on your circumstances, so it's essential to consult with the SSA to determine which documents are acceptable.
Complete the application.
Once you have gathered the necessary alternate documents, you'll need to complete an application to replace your Social Security card. You can obtain this application from the SSA website or by visiting your local SSA office. The application will require you to provide personal information, such as your full name, date of birth, and Social Security number. Additionally, you will need to explain your situation and provide details about why you are unable to present a valid ID.
Submit the application and documents.
After completing the application and gathering the required documents, it's time to submit them to the SSA. You can either mail the application and documents or bring them in person to your local SSA office. It's important to ensure that you include all the necessary paperwork and provide accurate information on the application form. Double-checking everything before submission can help avoid delays or complications in the process. And that's it. Although replacing your Social Security card without a valid ID may require additional steps and documentation, it is possible to obtain a new card. Remember to contact the Social Security Administration, gather alternate documents, complete the application, and submit everything accurately. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to the SSA directly. Thanks for watching, and best of luck in replacing your Social Security card.